Good morning, team and family. Got something special in my hands today. It's my day. I'm about to do a little quick install on this nice little cute mod I got. Hopefully it comes out right. Hopefully everything is done properly. And if so, it's lit. So quick cold start. Tough. This is why black people hate black people. Niggas don't know how to be on time. I told this nigga 8 years ago I'm gonna be here. This nigga wanna stroll, take his little cute time, cuff on the phone. Like, brother, we got plays to make, brother. We got plays to make, brother, man. It's poppin', slime. Kind enough for you to see us join us. It's about time.
Oh, this nigga's on the vlog?
It is. It's a vlog, champ. Alright, so we traveled to the great depths of East Haven to see this young legend right here. Slutty about to give you right. He about to put in these little door lights I got. That's the mod I got for the day for you guys. So we're gonna see how it's bumming. Hopefully he doesn't damage my property. I hope he doesn't. If he does, then I mean, it is what it is, I guess, right? But yeah, so we about to throw those lights on. After that, we're gonna tap back in. So y'all see y'all in 2.8 seconds. Bye, y'all. Yo, no cap, my boy, man, really one of them ones. Look at my boy in the stance, really trying to get your nigga right. That's really some love right there. No funny shit.
Finish right now, well.
Gang already banged out the first one on the passenger side. Now my boy about to finesse it right here. I should have gave y'all a more in-depth look on how to do it, but I mean, as you can see, it's very simple. It's 1, 2, 3. Just gotta click it out and then click it in.
Basically.
That's it. Look at that smooth signal. Boy, press that and join in there.
Well done.
And just like that, it's finito.
There you go.
Good luck, yes, sir. Good looking on your part, Slap.
No problem.
One of the ones. So that's the left one.
Yep.
This is the left one. All right, so I'm gonna put that right here. Then the right one is over there. Does it really matter though?
I honestly don't know, but if you want me to switch the size of it, I will, because the one was I looked like it's crazy because before you came, I looked up for the Dodge Hellcat. It's supposed to have it's supposed to say right.
It's supposed to say right and left, right?
Yeah, but these didn't say right and left on. So
That's what I peeped too.
Yeah, on those it didn't say right or left, because on mine said right or left.
Right. But when you put it on your handle, it looked like it was going across. So I think you did it the right way either way. So we blessed either way it go. All right, say less. So about to tap in. Let's tap in. All right. Let me see. Pull up, gang. Come on. Let me close my door real quick. I'm feeling a little rich this week. I'm in New York counting money. Yeah. Coolest, bro.
You know what those are.
I ain't been in the trap in a minute. Right, Sakai's. Big Sakai vibes. Come on now. Not only is my boy a handyman, but my boy having drip too. Hold on. My boy really having drip too. Yeah, he having drip too. Don't get it misconstrued. My boy having drip too. Stop playing. He's tough. One nigga said we got the ravies. Big wave runners on the mook. Come on now. Stop playing with him.
I got those are right here. Those are my prized possessions.
Stop playing with my boy.
And I have the laces, the extra laces that they came with. Over there. I had to put those.
I love these the most though, no cap. I love Sakai. Sakai is really tough.
Bro, those shits, I had to cop them shits. I was wanting them. I seen when them shits first dropped. I was on it.
Come clean, bro. How much did you pay for these again? I know these was a ticket, bro.
I paid $5.90 for those. I paid $5.35 for these.
That's crazy. That's not even bad. That's like some typical regular shit for these.
Yeah, like
yeah, these is crazy.
Bro, they wanted,
these is crazy.
The original came was $180. I was on the app going crazy. I couldn't get them. Couldn't get them.
I already know how that shit go. You know people be fiending for these joints all the time.
Once I got my hands on, I said I was never going back.
Sneaker app rigged, so you already know that's like impossible to even get. Hold this real quick, Slap.
I missed out on them fucking ones.
Which one? The Hypers?
Yes,
One of
bro.
them joints,
That
bro?
shit had me tight, my
You
nigga.
know you was not getting those, bro.
Yeah.
Like, bro, I don't even think about any sneaker that come out. I don't think I'm gonna get it, bro. I just
I don't, bro. I just think about
how I'm gonna pay that bread.
how I'm gonna pay that bread
when it come
after,
out.
bro. Cause some niggas gonna have them. Like
Word
some
to me.
niggas gonna have them.
Because everybody just gonna fiend for him. Somebody's son that work at Nike gonna get the win off the app. So it's like ain't no point even trying that.
Shit, most of the time be one nigga getting fucking like 15 pairs. And
Every
shit,
time,
so
bro.
that's some
Every
shit.
time. So I'm like, you know, I'm not stressing this shit.
Bro, I still have sneakers.
I forgot to tell y'all once again, this nigga not only is a handyman having drip, but he also having fly whips. Come on now. Stop playing with my boy. GUCCC Infinity. Was it 2020, right?
Yeah, 2020.
Excuse me. Not a 2019, not 2017. This is 2020, brother, man. I definitely showed y'all this car before, but I haven't put that video out come all the way clean. But this video might drop before that other video for real. But y'all seen him again. This man's really one of the ones. Yo, man, shout out your page, bro. Shout out your IG. Shout out whatever socials you got, Slap.
What is my?
Alright, so I'm in the trap right now. Obviously, I can't even see none because it's definitely dark outside. But you know, I got that joint down. Look at that joint. Bye, y'all. King Kong. Don't mind that line. I'm just in the gravel right now. You know, I don't got no damn pavement, so it's everything like a real wooden. But yeah, big red SRT on the door panel. That's hard if you ask me. Once again, shout out to my boy, man. Got me right. Took literally like 2 seconds. He one of them ones for that. And then obviously, you know, we got that joint the same. Right there on the passenger. Yes, sirski. That's tough. Calm low mod. I don't remember the price. Real talk, I think it was like $35 for real. Excuse me. Yeah, it was a cool 35 ball. Nothing crazy. Got that shit off of eBay too. So it really was nothing. But yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much it, y'all. Shout out to my boy Maine once again. I can't say it enough. Calm, easy little joint. Bro got me right. Now we just wait till our next adventure occurs. So until then, y'all be great. Make sure y'all paper straight. Make sure y'all niggas is not wearing fake baby nates. Gucci pal.
Yo, I'm checking my phone. Snapping this little hoe, she ready to go. She ready to